Okay, here we are close to Gasworks, or next to Gasworks. You can see the Space Needle. We rode all the way over here. There's a seaplane going up. I can't even see it on the phone. Or am I even directing it towards it? Oh, there it is. It's going up. It's gonna fly right over us. Here it comes. There goes the seaplane. That's pretty cool. Go around Lake Union. Whoa. There goes another plane. And I'm gonna go around and I can see how many. There she is rowing. And there's, what bridge is that? That's that. What bridge is that?
This one right here?
Yeah.
That would be the Universe. What is it? The Fremont?
Wait.
Dang it. No, that's the Fremont Bridge.
That's the Fremont Bridge? I thought that was right over I-5. I don't know what. Is that the ship canal?
That is the Ship Canal Bridge.
Okay.
Yes. Sorry.
Okay.
That is the Ship Canal Bridge, then the Fremont Bridge, then the University Bridge.
There's Gasworks. Right there. It's Gasworks Park, where they do the fireworks stuff. Can't really see it because all the trees and the bushes, but it's right there. Okay, well, we're going to turn the boat around and go back before we get too tired. Okay, bye everybody.